Hello YouTube, welcome to this video. In this video we will look at the Outemu Ice purple switches which were sent to me by MK Zealot store on AliExpress. Big thanks to them for providing these switches. I will put a link in the description below. These switches under consideration are the Outemu Ice dark purple switches with a bottom weight of 68 grams. These switches are manufactured by Outemu in collaboration with the same guy, HB Hero in Bob, who gave us the incredible Sky switch. Let us start with the name of the switch. It is called Outemu Ice because they have a transparent polycarbonate housing. There are other varieties in the ice lineup. In the version 2, the switches have hot swap pins. The sample sent to me did not have. If I have to describe these purple switches, I can do it in a single line. These switches are simply the heavier version of the brown switches. Here are the Gateron brown and the Outemu purple stems side by side. As you can see, there is not much of a difference. Let me point out by saying that I do not have the Outemu brown switches on me immediately, but I don't see a big difference in the brown switches across different manufacturers. We can safely conclude that the Gateron brown and the purple Outemu stem are similar to each other. To be sure that the purple and the brown stems were the same, I swapped the stems into the purple and the brown housings. Honestly, I could not tell the difference. The tactile event of the brown stem in the purple housing was the same as the purple stem in the purple housing. Interestingly, the purple outermost stem in the Gateron brown housing performed pretty bad, as you can see. The reason could be that the Outemu housing and the Gateron housings are different. But because of the heavier spring weight, I really enjoyed the purple switch. The tactile feedback may not be as prominent as the sky switch, but it is great for people who really like the brown switch but always wanted a heavier spring. With this conclusion, I will sign off for now and keep watching Utility Tech. Bye.